she was holding it? Like this?
Yeah, I guess.
Ryan, what's in the hydrant?
You know she wasn't on the guest list.
Doesn't mean she wasn't there.